can see this fan. See the little box in the bottom? All this fan is doing is recirculating the air in this bathroom. It's not taking the air out. I removed this yesterday. We found out we needed to install a duct so that we can get the moisture out of this bathroom so she doesn't get the mold buildup in this room again. Alright, we're gonna turn off the power, pull this out, and install a duct. Let's get started. Okay, we just unplugged the fan, pulled it out. I'm gonna take those screws out and pull this box out. One more screw. Well, we got plenty of wire. Okay. All right. Good. So now I can see up in there that I have a chase next to this duct. I'm going to cut a hole in it and go in the attic and pass down a duct that I'm going to attach to the new fan. I'm going to cut a hole in that drywall that goes to the attic and bring the duct down from there to attach to the fan. Okay, I'm up in the attic. I cut a hole in the drywall. I saw this black duct coming down in that area, so I cut a hole next to it, push the ductwork in, and now I ran the ductwork all the way to that vent out there. Now I'm going to zip tie them to the trusses so it stays secure. Okay, I've now zip tied the ductwork to the trusses and have it going all the way out to that vent. But the vent is all the way at the vent in the overhang. This will get all the moisture out of the bathroom and push it to outside. Okay, we've now passed the ductwork through. And we're going to attach it to the fan. All right. We turn the power off. Now we're going to get the electrical out of this box, the old box. Okay, black is always your hot, or any other color. Think of them as hot. White is your common. And then your ground is attached to the box. I had to pry it out, but got it out. All right, this is the new fan, and I got the size that'll fit in the opening that's already there, so I don't have to redo it. This is going to vent up, okay? The electric is on the bottom or the back, okay? So I'm going to open it up, get the electrical hooked up. We'll go from there. Okay, remember, black is hot, white is common, green is your ground. Okay, so we want to take out this bottom one. The bottom plug. There we go. All right. Bit of a tough one. So okay. Snapped right in place. We're good. Okay. Black to black. All right, I gotta go get another wire nut for the ground. All right, the end of this was a little corroded, so I'm gonna clean it up. Pull on it a little, make sure everything's gonna fit or not come apart, and then you gotta make everything fit. Okay, now we have that part done with the electrical. This cap slides on. Okay, now to make sure it doesn't move, I'm going to put some tape around it.
usually why I bend the end over, so that it'll come right off when I'm ready. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, I put the zip tie on it, but I don't like how it's sitting, so I'm going to tape it also. Alright, the tape is holding it good. I'm going to throw a little bit more on it. Go ahead and turn it off. Okay, it's attached good. I feel confident with it. Now, slide it back in. Okay, turn it on. Okay, I've locked up the holes. Now I'm going to put the cover on. It's a spring-loaded cover. They're a little bit of a pain. Okay, you have to squeeze it together and then get it into that little hole right there, one on each side. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in and then show you the finished product. Okay, it's running. You see that amber light? That means there's no moisture in the room. If the light turns blue, then there's moisture in the room. And once it goes to the amber, then you can turn it off. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.